Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're looking at the best paper deals from July the 12th to the 18th. Some of this is done curbside, some of this is done in store. Now, the first little deal that we're going to talk about is a complete freebie for 2 free 5x7 photo prints using the code It's Free. I believe today is the last day to get in on this. It's 1 per account, but I would do this right away. And then when you go to pick up your order at the store, punch in your phone number on the keypad in case you might get a booster with that, a paper booster. So the first couple deals we're going to look at are curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at is curbside, and this is just a really basic deal. We're going to load this, which is $1.50 off of one. It's off of the Walgreens brand toilet paper, paper towel, select one. Plus, we're going to use the code July the 15th to save an additional 15% on a $35 basket. So throwing 7 of these in a basket is the Walgreens toilet paper. This is very similar to Angel Soft. Their paper towel, similar packaging to this, is like a 10 out of 10. It's like sparkle. And as you see, our $1.50 coupon is now times 7, so that's $10.50 off. So that is called Not Bad. And then we're also going to throw in the code July the 15th for an additional $3.71 melting off, along with the store coupon right there, which is $1.50 off of one times 7, giving us $10.50. So the overall total for our basket is exactly $35, subtracting that $1.50 coupon and then July 15th code, $14.21 is melting off. You have a free curbside pickup and tax. So the total here is $22.04. If you guys want to use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.04, I think that's a smart way to go. And definitely get to the store right away. 7 bags of paper is a lot. It's going to take up half of customer service. So be courteous and get to the store ASAP. And now with that $1.50 digital store coupon, there are other items that are attaching. You have the Walgreens Solo cups, the paper towels, and tons of plates and other types of cups. So if you just don't want to get 7 identical items, you can mix and match and get other items as well. Okay, now we're looking at the next deal, and it's involving this booster that I think the majority of us got, a 10 back when you spend 40 on P&G paper goods. Because the word spend is there, we have to treat this like a booster. So what that means is for the balance, you have to use your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash or you're going to be in trouble. So in this basket, just to make it the easiest, I threw in 2 of the Charmin toilet papers. You can either get the strong ones, which are the red, or the soft ones, which are the blue. That's $25.98, and we have $3 in digital coupons melting off right there. And then also, because I'm not a complete Scrooge, I also thought it would be fun to throw in the Bounty paper towels. These are always a really great paper towel too. And there's only one $2 coupon. That other $1 off was either or for the Charmin or the Bounty. And 2 of these friends is $21.99. And if you thought I was going to use the coupon code, why I got the balance so high, you would be absolutely right. We're going to use July the 15th to save $7.05, and you can see our gorgeous chorus line of $5 in digital coupons also melting off for us in this basket. Okay, so the total is $51.96. After the $7.05, we're still at that $40 threshold for spend 40 to earn back 10. Free curbside pickup, tax, $5 in digitals melting off. You are going to pay $42.60 with your debit card and then get back 10 for not a bad little basket of larger size, Charmin and Bounty paper towels. So not a bad little deal. The next deal, you can either do curbside or in-store, you pick. On Sunday, we got these very high value 2 off of 2 for the Scott and a 2 off of 2 for that paper towel. Now, I know that paper towel is a bit of a contentious issue. A lot of people either love it, don't have an opinion on it, or people just don't like it because it's kind of chintzy, I would say. But if you want to just even get it as a donation item or just to use it, keep it in your stockpile, emergency paper towel, I think it's a great thing to stock up on right now. So throwing 2 paper towels and 2 toilet papers into a cart. They're $7.50 each. They're on a promotion of buy one get one 50% off, and that 2 off of 2 is attaching for both the paper towel and the toilet paper. Now let's just say you want to just get the toilet paper. Well, then obviously you wouldn't put 2 paper towels into your cart. You can either get these 12 rolls, or there is the scented rolls that are the sixers. I've noticed that if you remove the roll in the center, that paper roll in the center, it kind of takes that perfumey lavender scent away from the toilet paper, I've noticed. So yeah, if you don't mind it. And the sixers are easier to store in your stockpile. So just showing you, both of the coupons are coming off right here, and you'll have the same thing at checkout at your store. And alternatively, if you do this in store and you have register rewards you want to throw in, you can also do that as well. So $15, subtracting 2 $2 coupons are tax right there. It's $11.90. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Paying $1.90 for 4 of these after Walgreens cash. Such a great stock up price. It shakes it out to $2.75 per paper product. Really, really great. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 3, and we are in store because we're dealing with register rewards. When you purchase 2 of these Charmin Essential products, you're getting back a $3 register reward. Currently, the toilet paper and the paper towel both have dollar digital coupons. Grabbing 1 of each, it's going to be $4.98. Subtracting $2 coupons, that's $2 melting off. You're going to pay $7.98, get back a $3 register reward. And remember to listen and watch. Is that machine on? Is it printing? You can always ask the cashier, like, hey, is that machine printing this morning? And they will probably let you know right away with a smile. It turns out to be $4.98 for the 2 after the register reward, or $2.49 per paper product. That's a very good price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, this is kind of an odd one. It's deal number 4, and again, we're still in store. And if you look at the tag, it says buy 1, get back a $3 register reward. This friend is $12.99, plus we have a $2 digital coupon. So we're just going to grab 1 for this deal, because as per the tag, it's only buy 1, get back a register reward, which happens not a lot, but sometimes it does. $12.99 for 1 of these Charmins. Subtracting that 2, you're going to pay $10.99. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8.99. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But I mean, if you just wanted to throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay 99 cents and get back a $3 register reward for that bag, not a bad little deal. And please make sure it's tagged at your store. So if something goes goofy, you can always show the manager the tag to get back your, they can give you that Walgreens cash in lieu. This is an interesting one. It is to buy 4 of these P&G paper products to get back a $4 register reward. And the promotion is they are $5.49, and all of these items, the Bounty, the Charmin, the Puffs, they all have dollar digital coupons. So grabbing 4 of them, and you will have to grab an assortment at $5.49 a pop times 4, it's $21.96. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons, they're $1 each. You're going to pay $17.96, get back a $4 register reward, making it $13.96 for the 4, or $3.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you're a newer couponer looking to stock up on some puffs and just like this and that, but in smaller amounts, this is definitely the deal to consider. The final one is these much larger puffs at $6.99. We have a $1 digital coupon, dropping that down to $5.99. Definitely, I have been stocking up whenever those $3 coupons show up, because I think these are, just under $9 non-sales weeks, so definitely the week to stock up on these. That's it for this video. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.